these are the plants and flowers inside the house with the Chinese decorations. There. With cherry blossom on top of the table with some dito pala yung chocolate and some apple with Chinese words and money for the lycee need to put in the red envelope. Pamimigay yan sa mga taong mamimit nila or mga pupuntahan nila. And also this one, these are reels guys. Totoong halaman yan. Hindi ko lang alam kung anong tawag. Yan. Bunga. With Chinese writings on the flower pot. And this is on top of the coffee table or center table. Napakagandang display. Ayan din. Laki na nitong plants na to. Ito naman yung sa mahjong room. The Chinese writings. Ayan. Sa master's bedroom. At ito naman yung sa guest room. Ito naman sa may main door. Yeah. Ito naman sa kitchen. Punta po tayo sa labas dahil meron pang flowers sa labas. With Japanese pomelo. And pulang pomelo, red pomelo, my first time to see red pomelo. Ang flowers ni Bossing sa labas. With daffodil at the middle. Ano pa lang yung bumukas na bulaklak, dadalawa. At iyan, dalawang ganyan na plants, flower plants. So yan po ang kagandahan pag Chinese New Year. A lot of different kinds of flowers and plants under Chinese decorations. Again, Kong Hei Fat Choi everyone. From cherry blossom change into very beautiful or very nice orchids. Ang ganda. Pinalitan yung cherry blossom kasi marami siyang aphids ba yun? Insect. Now most of the flowers come out already. Very nice. Look at the daffodil. And also the other one. Color is so bright. Tapos ito po yung aking pinaka-favorite part. Joke lang po. Pero pwede na rin. Ito po yung tinatawag nilang lychee. Ito po yung aking na-receive, pero yung iba pong red packet ay naitapon ko na dahil nung inilagay ko sa aking apron ay nabasa yung red packet, kaya tinanggal ko lang yung laman. So yun po. Huwag nyo na rin pong itanong kung magkalong laman yan. Meron din naman po. So yan lang po guys. And thank you very much for watching my video. God bless everyone. Bye bye. Ito pa pala yung box ng tikoy. Tawag nila tikoy or linko in Chinese. Traditional cake nila every Chinese New Year. Box ng tikoy and radish cake po yan. Pwedeng pan-display. Ganda. So muli, bye-bye po. And God bless everyone. Thank you for watching. Kong Hei Fa Choy again. Bye.